Hello from Ukraine. My name is Yuriy Holod. I am 37 years. I am agronomist. It's me again. Today I show you plowing. We use tractor 340 Magnum. Very strong, nice plug. Quality double size. So this diesel station on the farm. You can see liters, tank. So engine clear, new one tractor, very nice condition. So we check all levels, filters, all is clear, ready for work. Later I show you this tractor in job. We got area. So see you again. So hello, today I show you plowing. We got old classic technology with plug tractor Magnum class 340 powers. So 37 centimeters. We check tractor, all filters clean, all levels is very well. So let's go. Oops. Поїхали, Анатолій. Будеш тут мене знімати. Start. Should hear screens. Full tank. Temperature of water radiator as well. All sensors well. So let's start. So need replace plug. Press clutch pedal from neutral, switch on speed, and let's go. Now, we use speed number 8 or 9. 8 speed after 9. And go on. So soil is very well, no dry, no weed, it's medium, very nice. Very nice. Power engine. Nice design process. Working still, working good. So now I show you old classic technology with Ecolo Tiger case mat, too heavy, too strong, too power machine. So I hope you know this technique. We got tractor case 500 STX. Is when I would remember 2005 year modification. So no, I think let's go. Down. Yes. And we go. Speed number 8. Optimal. For engine, temperature medium, radiators as well. 1800 is optimal. This operation we doing every 3 years. Now I show you how I can use weeding machine. That one is electric machine. I can do it with semi-automatic.